Hey, what's up, guys? I just got to this car meet at the parking lot of Macy's. Still early. It's about 7:20 Pacific time, so still early. Half of the parking lot is already full though, so I'll give you guys a walk around. There's a nice Lotus right there with a big ass diffuser. It's a nice Corvette over there. There's a lot more cars coming. There's a Cobra over there. Of course, the friends over there. So let's go. Of course, don't forget my baby over there. Okay, so as you can see, it's 7 in the morning and a lot of people here. Batmobile over there. I got a feeling this car is pretty pricey.
Sure, absolutely. Oh yeah, now I'm hooked. We're hanging. You're hooked. I'm hooked. What is that?
There's a bunch of celebrities here, but nobody pays attention to them. It's all about the cars.
You're disgusting this right now.
Oh, the Spider Italia. Fucking love that car.
Hi. Hi, good morning. Traded our coat.
I guess this is the section for the muscle cars. Look at the biggest blower over there. God damn.
What's up, my man?
That thing is pretty big. Yeah, this is the muscle car section for sure. Okay, we got a green Lamborghini. Door panels, carbon fiber. Morning. Racing Bull Performance. Of course, he's wearing a Italia shirt. Gran Torino.
I watched the whole show.
Okay, somebody's afraid of the sunshine. It won't do any good since it's too early. Tesla. Pretty much looks like a freaking Elise. Yeah, pretty much. See the titanium tip? Nice, a GT2 RS. And let's see what we got here. Okay, it's a looks like a Chevy V8. Yep. Some kind of prototype. Oh, this Shelby is for sale. $38,500. Watch out! Watch out! That's a small car. Aston Outlet. Another small car. Interesting. Cosworth engine. 4-cylinder. Wow, an old Shelby GT500. Look over there.
That, I mean, obviously it affects the value. The color on it is not.
Look over here.
On YouTube. From it's got Walter Matthau in it. It's 675 in a movie called Spiderweb.
Yep. You see it all right. Street Lego. CR1 right there. And a 6 over there. A truck with a big ass turbo sounds like a 18-wheeler. Lot of turbo. Okay, we got a little Miata with a V8. Look at that. It fits just fine.
Yeah.
Found it or something?
Yeah.
See, the thing is
Of course, you need big tires.
made for somebody in the forum.
255. I don't think it's enough.
Kind of hard. I don't know. That was the size.
Arizona.
Yeah, that was our.
Yeah, 255. I don't think it's enough.
I want them smaller, bigger, but you know what I mean.
I did them 6.
Oh, you got a GTR over there. The first one of the day, and it's the new one. Godzilla makes appearance. Looks much nicer in real life than in pictures or in the game. Big brakes. Cut down maybe in the back. Look at that. That's easily 14-inch brakes. And pretty soon the rest of the parking lot is gonna be full. And I don't know what this is. Two-story old truck, I guess. London Transport. Wow, somebody paid some money to bring it over here. It's pretty beat up. That's a now sucks. And some nice wheels. Needs to be dropped. Looks like it's ready to rally.
Well, I had the whole flip here.
Nice wheels though, nice wheels. We got a Audi with purple wheels.
I didn't see it. I couldn't start. I just started my first that? You know, got a big pimple on your bumper. Anyway, the dealer did the tip or redid the rock twice. First time they didn't even wrap
That's an Audi R8. Okay, I'm hoping to see a Bugatti, an Ansel, McLaren. Come on, people, what's wrong with you? We all know you have the money and more. Where are the big dogs? Where? Jeez, you should see my garage. Of course, in the game. Okay, guys, for now that's it. Just came here to this car because they got some sophisticated music. Just to close the video. So, if a nice car shows up, I should be able to record it. For now, that's it from Fcyaa.